It's AM to FM. Hey, it's me, Mernwin. It's Monday, which means you're tuned into the AM channel. This week's topic is trees. Do you remember as a kid when you used to draw paintings or just draw with pencil crayons, you would draw the same image over and over again? And whenever you found a style or technique that you really liked, you would try to use that technique every time you drew, kind of like when you discovered how to draw scales on a mermaid. Of course, in all of our drawings, trees was the one thing that we drew over and over again. My trees always had different variations going through them. When I first started drawing out trees, it was simple. It was just two lines for the stump and a bunch of curls for the leaves. And of course, you have to add that circle in the middle where the owl would hang out. Sometimes, if I could, I would draw the eyes in it, but if while coloring the blackness, the eyes would get covered too much, I would just color the whole thing black. Eventually, I started adding roots on the trees, which didn't make it any more appealing. It's just something that I really got attached to as a kid. And around these roots, to make it less awkward, I drew the V-shaped grass. The V-shaped grass that kind of looked like the birds we drew in the sky, which were also V-shaped. I don't know who taught us that. As I got tired of just the roots, I started adding branches as well into the leaves. If I really felt like it, I would add a bird on top of the branch on top of the owl that was sitting in the tree.